What is up, YouTube? Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. My name is Guru, and welcome back to the channel where I present you a brand new series that I like to call 6 Hours in Delhi.
सात शहरों की है ये कहानी, सुनो आज तुम मेरी जुबानी। जो नहीं है जाना तुमने, दिखाऊं मैं मेरी नजरानी। Welcome to a whole new travel series that I call 6 Hours in Delhi. Over the course of this series, I'll take you to some well-known places and greet you with things you never knew.
So I've planned a very long itinerary for the day. So I have to shoot a couple of vlogs, and I had an early start in the morning at around 7:30 in the morning. And believe it or not, I have lived in Gurgaon for like 20 years now, and I haven't seen all of Delhi myself. So the plan for the day is to take you around some of the key monuments and places that there are to see in Delhi. But the catch being, I'll tell you a few facts, a few snippets of the history that no one knows or no one tells, and such content you cannot find on YouTube in general. So the first destination of the day is Qutub Minar, and I don't think I need to introduce the destination to you. I'll show you a few shots of the place, and then I'll tell you a few things about the Minar itself.
I woke up at 6:30 a.m. during the winters, but not once was reluctant to get out of the blanket, because I knew that the first thing I'll come across is the drive to Delhi on empty roads. Nothing comes close to how peaceful an early morning drive is in Delhi.
So this entire complex that you see here right now is the Quwwatul Islam Mosque that came first, and then came the minaret. Look at the carvings on on some of the pillars over here, and an interesting fact to note is that these pillars were not originally built by a Muslim ruler. These pillars were taken from Killa Rai Pithora. That was actually the guard or the fort of Prithvi Raj Chauhan after his demise. So these pillars were then taken from Killa Rai Pithora and then installed here in the mosque. It's actually 8 a.m. in the morning right now, and it's absolutely empty, and it's so peaceful and so calm with only the birds and the proper sunlight. I can't even express it in words. This iron pillar that you see in the background is about 1600 years old, and the peculiar thing about this pillar is that despite being 1600 years old, this pillar has not rusted one bit. So originally it is considered to be built by the Gupta dynasty and then brought here by Qutubuddin Aibak, but then there is no certain proof, no concrete evidence that suggests the same. Originally, this pillar was built with an eagle on the top to signify victory, but that eagle is nowhere to be found. Now, there's this myth in Delhi that surrounds this iron pillar as to why this pillar has not rusted yet, and it's believed that a god called Chandragupta, that is mentioned in Mahabharata, sits under a samadhi right under the pillar, and the pillar originates from his head. I read this somewhere while preparing for a quiz, and I found this so interesting that it has stuck with me despite being 8 to 10 years after having read the fact. So I know it's probably just a myth, and that is what it is. But it's so unique that the culture in India is like, surrounds everything out of belief, out of faith, and it's actually really good to notice that. So this gate that you see here is called the Alai Darwaza. It was built by Alauddin Khilji when he extended the mosque of Quwwatul Islam during the time of his rule. You can see the ornate carvings on the pillars and on the walls, the sunlight coming through the doorway over there. Looks so pretty. I wish I had better photography skills so that I could capture this through my DSLR. But it is what it is. Just looks so beautiful and looks so calm, especially when there are no people in the background, no people creating all that sort of noise. So this is the Alai Minar, or the unfinished Alai Minar, so to say. This was built by Alauddin Khilji, as उसकी ego hurt हो गई थी basically कि कुतुब मीनार से बड़ा मीनार बनाऊंगा, double size होगा. But unfortunately, he died before this minar could be completed. And this is how it stands today. Not much to see, but you can imagine the sheer size it would have been had it been completed. So one thing that I forgot to mention beforehand is that if you come here, you have to buy a ticket online. There is no ticket counter that has been, the ticket counter that used to be here that has been removed due to COVID-19. So the website is archaeologicalsurveyofindia.payumoney, that is asi.payumoney.com.